Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to change ringtone for one contact on Android. Customizing the ringtone for a specific contact makes it easier to identify who's calling without looking at your phone. Here's how you can set a unique ringtone for one contact on your Android device. Launch the default contacts or phone app on your device. Go to Contact section, find and tap on the contact you want to customize. Tap the eye icon on the right. Tap on the three dots on the bottom right corner. Then tap on Change Ringtone or Vibration. Choose the ringtone option. Then tap Allow. Tap it and choose a ringtone from the list or choose Add in the top right corner to use a custom audio file. Tap Save if there's any to apply the custom ringtone to the contact. By following these steps, you can easily assign a unique ringtone for any contact on your Android device. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.